Some of the hardest food to pair with wine are green vegetables, and unfortunately, green veggies are a staple at Thanksgiving. And so today I'm going to walk you through some pairings that actually work with green veggies. So to get us started and without getting too scientific, with green vegetables, they're high in sulfur compounds and they also may be high in chlorophyll. And so it's going to give wine a bitter, harsh taste and just overall be really off-putting. So to offset some of those sulfur compounds, you can pick a wine with nutty and oxidative qualities, like an orange wine from Georgia or a dry sherry from Spain. And I'll put in the comments some regions that are great for these styles of wines. Also, you can just lean in and play up those herbaceous notes in the side dishes. And so, both the veggies and the sauce, which are very herbaceous. And so you could go with a Sauvignon Blanc from basically anywhere. You also could try a Gruner Veltliner from Austria, as well as a Vermentino from Italy. So those would be my picks. And what's great about these wines is that they're also really high in acid, which a lot of Thanksgiving dishes that feature green veggies, like a green bean casserole, it's gonna be really fatty and buttery and go really well with those acidic wines because that acidity is just gonna cut right through the fat. So that's it.